Hey guys, welcome back. Sunday evening, let's talk GameStop, my weekly update, my weekly chat with you on GameStop. You know, I've been trading GameStop for many years, swing trading it, as you guys know. I'm not here to tell you to buy every day at any price. I'm not here to tell you never sell. I'm here to talk to you about reasonable strategies to put some green in your account. And if that is not what you're looking for, look, there's one or two pumper channels left still talking about GameStop with those ridiculous price targets and dates. And if that is your thing, go have fun over there. We're talking to the adults. Here on the weekly chart, we still are dealing with this death cross, the 200 under the 50 moving average, and the stock is continuing to push down. I was expecting and am still expecting a little bit of positive momentum into earnings. That is mere weeks away. However, despite this more bearish, noise-free signal that we're seeing here on the weekly chart, if we look at the daily chart, we still have the opposite. We've got the opposite of what we're seeing on the weekly with the 200 above the 50. It's just stuck. This price is stuck. And I think, look, I don't analyze any ticker in a vacuum, and I'm always on every ticker changing my analysis as things change. Things have changed at GameStop. You got $4 billion worth of convertible bonds and new players in this trade right now. The company is continuing to close stores. They've added the Power Packs website. Things are in flux, and so you got to be flexible as you're analyzing this trade. And the company now has billions of cash that they didn't have, but that cash comes at a price because we have millions of new potential dilutive shares hanging out there if the price gets pushed up, and the market will react to that potential dilution if the price does get pushed up. You know, hopefully the news is so good, or Roaring Kitty comes back. Hopefully the news is so good that we just push right through that conversion price and leave it in the dust. But I'm not here to tell you that that's going to happen. I'm not trading the stock for some miracle price run up. If it happens for me, that's just a bonus. You know, this is a ticker that requires you to be flexible in your analysis. And speaking of being flexible, I added another supply zone on my chart right here, about the $24.45 to $25 range, just because we seem stuck here between this lower demand zone that's been there for a long time, and since the new convertible notes, we just have been trading flat. I would like to see a breakout above this prior to earnings, and then have Ryan Cohen deliver a surprise on the earnings call to really carry us up to that other supply zone hanging out up there in the $30 range. I can't tell you what's going to happen. I don't make videos on any ticker with ridiculous price targets. If it runs up, that's a bonus for me. I will not ever pump you full of hopium with BBBY type titles on my videos. The GameStop people that are left putting out these ridiculous pumper amounts in their video titles, it's really a bad look, but if that's how they want to run their channel and people enjoy it, then hey, do your thing. Pump away, my friends. I'm here to talk to the adults that remain in this play that are looking for reasonable trading strategies. I am bullish on GameStop as long as Ryan Cohen has that cash. I believe he will do something positive with it to increase the company's earnings, which will help us revalue the company with a higher fair value. That is what I'm in the trade for. It is speculative for me. I'm not going to promise you anything. I'm just talking to you about my trades and how I am analyzing this ticker. If you have any questions or comments, drop them for me down below. I am Tony Denaro, and I will see you on the next video.